Hello guys, and welcome once again to another episode of Unbox Baby. Today we're going to be unboxing the Colorful Activity Play Mat by Brilliant Beginnings. This toy mat is great for kids of all ages, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so as I said, we're going to be unboxing the Colorful Activity Play Mat. I want to let you know that I got this on Walmart.com for about $23.10, and this is a great plaid mat from 0 to even 12 months old. So it comes with 5 repositional hanging toys. You can see here it has the sun, it also has the monkey with the sliding rings, it has a bird, a lion, and it also has a baby elephant as well. I love this play mat because you have 3 versatile modes of play. On your baby's back, you can also use it for tummy time, as well as you can use it as a play mat if you remove the play bars. And it also stimulates the baby's visual and auditory senses. As you can see, this mat is very colorful and it has multiple textures that encourage exploration. I can tell you that my almost 2-month-old really loves this mat. So here, as you can see, it does come with a manual. So I'm putting these bars together, and here is the finished product. It's very colorful, very beautiful. I love this play mat. So let me know if you buy this play mat, and if you like it, in the comments below. Tell me. I would love to hear your comments. Alright, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more baby unboxing videos coming your way. And until next time, everyone, enjoy your baby.